Convenient attachment. This 7-pin trailer wiring connector features an extension spring that allows you to attach the plug in a convenient location on your trailer and keep it accessible for plugging in any time. Easy grip. Plugging in your trailer wiring and trailer lights is easy with the ergonomic design of this trailer wiring plug. It features tabs on the sides for a better grip when plugging into the vehicle or unplugging. Versatile design. This trailer wiring connector makes a great replacement 7-way wiring plug. It connects the tail lights, brake lights, turn signals, reverse lights, electric trailer brakes and an auxiliary power wire. Reliable connection. This 7-way round trailer wiring plug is equipped with a locking tab on top that secures the plug into the socket when inserted. This helps maintain a reliable wiring connection in spite of bumps and vibrations while towing. Weather resistant. To help protect the splice and wiring connections, this die-cast metal 7-wire trailer plug features concealed terminals, keeping the wires from direct exposure to rain, dirt, road salt and other corrosive threats, wires not included. Like trailer hitches and ball mounts, electrical connectors range all over the board in shape, size and capability, but no matter what your trailer's electrical functions are, you need a solid connection to keep the power flowing and ensure safety on the road. CURT electrical connectors are designed and manufactured to give you a reliable connection every time you plug in your trailer. This 7-way round connector is designed to supply power for tail lights, turn signals, electric trailer brakes, auxiliary power, reverse lights and brake lights, as well as a ground connection. It features durable die-cast metal construction and is a male-end plug, specifically designed for the trailer side of the connection. It also features a spring attachment to keep wires well protected. 7-way round connectors are commonly used on RV travel trailers, and this particular connector can be easily interchanged with other 7-way RV connectors. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic quality and simple. Great replacement for the older style RV round pin, not blades trailer connectors. Wire designations are marked inside next to the screw terminals. Good housing and strain relief for wires. Heavy and heavy duty.